Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In this tutorial, I will teach you how we can optimize a YouTube video so that it ranks higher on YouTube and you can get views in thousands, lakhs and in crores. So how do we do that? But before starting the tutorial, if you are new on my channel then please go ahead and smash the subscribe button down. So without wasting any time, let's start. So guys, this is the area where we upload a YouTube video. Okay, so I have uploaded a YouTube video. Okay, and then we get this particular screen. Okay, first thing that we have is title, and then we have description. So most of the time we enter these things only: title, description, and also we upload thumbnail. So these three things we do follow every time for a YouTube video, but it's really important to focus on title, what title we are giving for YouTube video to rank. Okay, so you need to enter the keywords over here. Like in this case it is how to create Instagram reels using Canva. So over here the keyword is Instagram, then the keyword is reels, and the other keyword is Canva. Okay, so I have used three keywords over here: Instagram, reels, and Canva. And I am asking a question: how to create Instagram reels using Canva. So because most of the time people search for questions only on YouTube. How they can do something, or how can they achieve something. Okay, so this kind of titles you need to enter. Then guys, you need to enter some description of what the actual video is about. You can list down what kind of points that you have covered inside this tutorial or the particular video, and what basically the audience is going to learn. Okay, all those things you need to enter inside the description. I will say that you need to at least enter description of 200 to 300 words. Okay, then guys, thumbnail. Your thumbnail should be also specific to what your video is all about. If my video is about how to create Instagram reels using Canva, then I should show Instagram reels thumbnail over, basically picture in the thumbnail, along with the Canva image also in the thumbnail. And I should ask a question also in the thumbnail, like a person who's surprised, like how he can create. Then guys, we need to create playlist. Okay, and you need to select over here. Then we have this show more option. Under the show more option, guys, we have tags. So all the keywords basically related to our video you need to enter over here. So the tags will be like how to create Instagram reels. Then the tag will be, another tag will be like how to create Instagram reels using Canva. Then I can add another tag like Canva reels, and each tag will be separated by a comma sign. Okay, they have said over here. Then guys, we have video language. So select the video language of, basically what, if you have spoken in Hindi. Okay, then select the language as Hindi. If you have spoken in English in the video, then select the language as English. Okay, then enter video location over here. Like if you're uploading from India, then enter India, or if you're uploading from Australia, then enter Australia. Okay, and then guys, click on next, and then your video will be uploaded, guys. So these are some of the points that you need to consider while uploading a video on YouTube, so that your video ranks higher on YouTube search. So guys, that's all in this video. I hope this video was helpful to you in learning how we can optimize a YouTube video so that it ranks higher on YouTube. Thank you.